Inactive pharmaceutical ingredient and highly potent API manufacturing, filtration failures carry massive consequences. The Nutsche filter dryer sits at a critical point where product purity, operator safety, and batch yield converge. When filter media deforms, sheds, or traps residue, the impact goes beyond inefficiency and introduces contamination risks, extended downtime, and lost value products that cannot be recovered. As pharmaceutical processes become more stringent, the filter plate itself has taken on a much larger role. No longer a simple support layer, it directly influences how consistently a cake forms, how effectively it can be washed, and how thoroughly the product can be discharged. Media instability, holdup zones, and poor cleanability are increasingly unacceptable in validating API environments where repeatability and documentation are essential. Many Nutsche filter media were developed for general chemical processing, not the heightened demands of API and HPAPI manufacturing. Flexible cloths, felts, and loosely supported wire screens can perform internal liquid-solid separation, but their limitations become more apparent as processes move deeper into washing, reslurry, and discharge phases. One of the most significant risks is contamination. Synthetic cloths can shed fibers under mechanical stress, where unbonded wire media may release particulates if damaged. In API service, even minor contamination can trigger batch rejection or regulatory scrutiny. At the same time, depth-loading media trap particles within the filter structure, creating areas that are difficult or even impossible to fully clean using CIP systems. Mechanical instability compounds these issues. Under pressure, vacuum, and repeated agitation, flexible media can bow, wrinkle, and migrate within the vessel. This alters cake formation, creates uneven resistance during washing, and introduces localized holdup zones where API residue remains after discharge. Over time, these small inconsistencies lead to increased variability between batches. Flatness at the filter surface is another common challenge. As operators try to minimize the heel left behind after discharge, flexible media limits how close the agitator can safely operate to the filter plate. Conservative clearances reduce the risk of media damage, but leave valuable product trapped at the bottom of the vessel, directly impacting your yield. Together, these shortcomings illustrate why traditional Nutsche filter media struggles to meet modern API expectations. As regulatory pressure and product value increase, the filter plate must provide stability, cleanliness, and consistency as a permanent part of the process, not just a reoccurring point of failure. POROSTAR filter plates are engineered with API requirements at their core. At the foundation is a diffusion-bonded, monolithic structure that fuses every wire contact point into a single, indivisible structure. This eliminates the risk of fraying, unraveling, or delamination, which are all common failure modes in layered or flexible media. Unlike depth-loading cloths, POROSTAR operates as a surface-loading filter media. Particles are retained on the surface rather than becoming embedded within the media, making cleaning more effective and more verifiable. For API producers, this directly supports cleaning validation efforts and reduces the risk of cross-contamination between batches. POROSTAR also supports zero holdup design principles. Each plate is customized to match vessel geometry and tolerances, ensuring a flush fit against the vessel wall. This minimizes crevices where product can accumulate and allows the agitator to sweep the surface more effectively during discharge. Material choice further supports pharmaceutical processing. Its metallic construction provides exceptional mechanical stability under pressure, vacuum, and temperature cycling, while remaining compatible with aggressive solvents and repeated SIP and CIP routines. Together, these characteristics makes POROSTAR a stable, predictable filtration surface, suited for long production campaigns in regulated environments. The performance of an agitated Nutsche filter dryer depends on the consistency of every process step. During charging, the filter plate serves as a load-bearing foundation, supporting the full weight of the slurry. POROSTAR plates maintain their flat profile under heavy loads, helping establish uniform cake formation from the start. Throughout filtration and washing, surface loading behavior ensures that the flow resistance remains tied to the filter cake rather than the progressive binding of the filter media. This supports even washing efficiency and reduces the variability often seen in depth-loading filters as cycles repeat. Re-slurry washing and smoothing place some of the highest mechanical demands on the filter plate. High torque agitation, frequent reversals, and pressure changes can stretch or distort weaker media. POROSTAR's monolithic and dual-centered structure resists these forces without shifting or degrading, maintaining consistent performance over time. During discharge, rigidity and flatness directly influence yield. Because POROSTAR maintains a mirror flat surface, the agitator can operate at tighter clearances, recovering more of the product heel that flexible media leave behind. For high-value APIs, this step often has the greatest impact on profitability. But importantly, POROSTAR filter plates are not treated treated as disposable filter components. When damage or wear does occur, many plates can be inspected and repaired rather than be replaced. This repair capability helps preserve the original fit, restore performance, and extend service life, which reduces downtime and supports long-term lifecycle value in critical API applications. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, click on our Talk to Us button to get in contact with our many experts on woven wire mesh. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. We also have a YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Andrew Kotlar, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.